Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will compare two smartphones, OnePlus 3 and Lure Eco Lure Max 2. I'll start with the design and build quality. Both phones feature all aluminum unibody design. The OnePlus 3 features rounded edges, while the Lure Max 2 has sharper edges. The OnePlus 3 is lighter, slimmer, and more compact, and also features Corning Gorilla Glass 4 on the front. OnePlus 3 weighs 158 grams and measures 7.4 mm in thickness. The Lure Max 2 weighs 185 grams and measures 8 mm. Both devices are equipped with fingerprint sensors for additional security. Lure Max 2 has its fingerprint sensor located on the rear below camera module, while fingerprint sensor of OnePlus 3 is located on the front below the display. Both smartphones look very premium and elegant. The OnePlus 3 is more comfortable to hold due to its slightly smaller size and rounded edges. But if you are a fan of large devices, then you can opt for Lure Max 2. OnePlus 3 comes with a 5.5-inch Full HD optic AMOLED display with 1080p resolution and 401 ppi pixel density. For the price, Full HD resolution display of OnePlus 3 disappoints us a bit as other smartphones in the same price segment offer Quad HD displays. The Lure Max 2 has a 5.7-inch 2K display with 1440p resolution and 515 ppi pixel density. Going with the screen size and resolution, the Lure Max 2 certainly has an upper hand in this department, but practically both screens have their pros and cons. The screen of OnePlus 3 has deeper colors and saturation compared to the Lure Max 2. The Lure Max 2 on the other hand has more resolution and is also brighter and sharper. Now hardware and performance. Both phones are powered by quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 processor paired with Adreno 530 GPU. There is a slight difference in their clock speeds. While the OnePlus 3 is clocked at 2.2 GHz, the Lure Max 2 is clocked at 2.15 GHz. Both phones pack 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. The Lure Max 2 also comes in one more variant with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of inbuilt storage. Sadly, none of these phones support expandable storage via microSD card. On Antutu benchmarks, we got scores of around 1,40,000 for OnePlus 3 and 1,07,000 for Lure Max 2. As for performance, both phones handle gaming and multitasking with ease with no noticeable signs of stutters or lags. So we can call this round a tie as both devices offer super fast performance. Next is camera. OnePlus 3 sports a 16 megapixel primary camera with LED flash, f2.0 aperture, OIS, EIS, PTAF and Sony sensor. The Lure Max 2 comes with a 21 megapixel primary camera with dual tone LED flash, PDAF, OIS and f2.0 aperture. Both smartphones support 4K video recording and are equipped with 8 megapixel front-facing cameras with different apertures. The camera app of OnePlus 3 is clean and doesn't offer much filters and modes. The Lure Max 2 has a lot of customization options in its camera app. Both phones take excellent shots with great detailing and clarity. Yet, despite having more resolution camera, the Lure Max 2 doesn't perform as good as OnePlus 3. In camera department, the OnePlus 3 has a slight edge over the Lure Max 2. Next is software. Both devices run Android Marshmallow operating system wrapped under their respective UIs. The OnePlus 3 runs Oxygen OS, which is close to stock Android. The Lure Max 2 runs EUI 5.6 that offers a lot of customization options. The interface of OnePlus 3 feels more responsive and light, and it comes with negligible preloaded bloatware. The Lure Max 2 is heavily customized UI, which may not entice everyone. It comes with a lot of preloaded apps, which may or may not be of any use to the users. OnePlus 3 is suitable for those who are looking for a device with clean and smooth UI. But if you are a fan of customization, then you should go for Lure Max 2. Next is battery. The OnePlus 3 is backed up by a 3000 mAh battery, while Lure Max 2 comes with a slightly larger 3100 mAh battery. Both phones support fast charging. OnePlus 3 supports dash charge technology, which is said to charge the phone up to 60% in just 30 minutes. Lure Max 2 supports Lure Supercharge technology that promises to deliver up to 50% charge in 30 minutes and full charge in 90 minutes. In this round, we cannot say who's the winner as battery capacities of both phones are more or less same and they also support fast charging. The Lure Max 2 comes with IR Blaster, which allows users to control the compatible appliances. Lure Max 2 also comes with USB Type-C audio port instead of 3.5mm audio jack. It features continual digital lossless audio technology for high quality and lossless audio. OnePlus 3 on the other hand comes with conventional 3.5mm audio jack and lacks IR blaster. Now pricing. Lure Max 2 is priced at Rs 22,999 for 4GB RAM plus 32GB storage variant and Rs 29,999 for 6GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. OnePlus 3 will set you back Rs 27,999. The specifications of both OnePlus 3 and Lure Max 2 are closely matched. The Lure Max 2 has more screen resolution, higher primary camera resolution, as well as more battery capacity than the OnePlus 3. But for these features, you will have to shed Rs 2,000 more than the OnePlus 3. And with the lower priced variant of Lure Max 2, you will have to compromise with RAM and inbuilt storage. The OnePlus 3, on the other hand, offers better camera capabilities, cleaner interface, as well as more refined and compact design. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.